Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your C-Kit. First, you need to understand what the C-Kit is designed for and why it's important for your specific needs. This kit provides essential resources and guidelines to help you achieve compliance or certification in various areas. Knowing its purpose will guide you through the entire acquisition process effectively. Next, you must verify your eligibility for the C-Kit. Check the official guidelines for specific criteria, which might include professional qualifications or business registration. You will also need to gather all necessary documentation, such as a completed Form 1099, and ensure you meet any financial thresholds, perhaps $15,000 in assets. Once you have all your documents ready, proceed with the application. Carefully complete the online application form, ensuring all information is accurate and up-to-date. Then, submit all required documents through the designated secure portal. After submission, expect a processing and review period of up to 2 weeks before receiving a response regarding your C-Kit. To ensure a smooth process, always review all instructions carefully before you begin your application. It is also wise to keep copies of all submitted materials for your personal records, just in case you need them later. Remember, staying organized is key to success. Also, for a truly effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.